I am known to be the snack queen, always carrying snacks, so I thought I'd bring you a festive snack that you can cook on your barbecue. These are my cinnamon sugared smoked almonds. They are so moreish. Have them in a spread of food, maybe for your Christmas supper, or even jar them up and give them out as gifts. Your friends will love them. The magic behind the flavour of this recipe is that we're using the addition of smoking wood to these almonds. So first we need to set up the barbecue for indirect cooking with our convection tray and trivet, and then we can load up our smoker boxes with some wood chips. Today I'm using pecan, which is absolutely stunning with these almonds. Top tip for using your Q smoker boxes is to soak your wood chips first. This will help create smouldering, beautiful smoke. Now we can just preheat the barbecue for about 20 minutes or until it's smoking. I'm so excited about all of these ingredients here to go on the almonds. We've got cinnamon, we've got sugar, a little bit of salt to bring out the flavour, vanilla, and egg white. So the egg white helps to bind these ingredients together, creating a really nice coating for our almonds. So first all that we need to do is crack one egg into a bowl. We want that egg white. Now that we have our egg white in there, I'm just going to whisk it until it forms soft peaks. This is perfect. We just want those soft peaks. It doesn't need to be firm peaks as if you're baking a meringue. So now onto the almonds. We are using raw almonds. It's really important to go for the raw, all natural. We don't want the pre-roasted or salted because we are roasting them. You don't want a double roast. We just want one delicious toasty roast. All right, time to go in. Perfect. This is going to act like a glue for all of our delicious cinnamon sugar ingredients. So now we can go in with our caster sugar. We just lightly sprinkle that all over. Might do that in a couple batches actually, just so we evenly coat the almonds. Go in with our cinnamon. Let's go half of that. Salt. Whenever you're adding sugar to something, I always like to add a little bit of salt just to season it and bring out the flavour. And then vanilla. Give that a quick stir and then I'll add in the remaining ingredients. I am obsessed. This is almost like French toasting the almonds. Amazing. So now I'm just pouring them into drip pans and then these are ready to go into the barbecue. They'll take about an hour to roast. You want to make sure that they're fully roasted. You want them really nice and crunchy afterwards. So cook them for that full hour. All right, in we go. Look at that beautiful smoke just wisping out. That is exactly what we want. Now, sure, you could do these in your oven. You'd still have sugar roasted almonds, but these are next level delicious, so totally addictive. Adding in that smoke is an extra ingredient, extra layer of flavor, and these are going to be hot property at Christmas. Halfway through the cooking time, give them a quick stir to make sure every single almond gets their fair share of smoke. 60 minutes is up and these look absolutely incredible. You can see they've gone all gnarly, the sugar's crystallized on the outside, and the smell of that cinnamon mixed with the smoke, these are going to be incredible. These are so delicious. We have already lost a few and we need to wrap this up before they all disappear. It's really important to leave them cool completely down. They'll harden up, especially if you're storing them into jars. From one nut to another nut to another nut, Merry Christmas. Why did the almond close its blinds?
Why?
Because its neighbour was pecan.